Bitofpizza. We have returned with the Megane RS. Last time you saw it, it was running 340 ponies. This time, I can barely believe I'm saying this because this car's got a 1.8 litre engine.
4-cylinder,
406.5 horsepower. Let me just hide the driver's name. RS 18 Cup, that's the car there. Megane 4 RS, 406.5 horsepower, which is just insane. From a 1.8 litre car, what can I say? So far, it's been impressive.
It was impressive last time.
Yeah.
And I've been in it since.
He has been in it since.
And it is ridiculous.
I got gap by it on the way here, so
you get gap by everything.
Past it really just made me excited for when we go inside. So what I'm going to do is just talk you through the mods, the things the owner has done to get it to that power figure, and then yeah, we'll go for a little drive so you can hear what this car sounds like and how it goes, and then we'll go from there. So under the engine bay, you can hear it's not the most glamorous one. It is a Renault at the end of the day. They've never been. Sounds like it's farting. Anyway, Renaults have never been glamorous under the engine bay. As you can tell, look, it just looks like a It's a
bit of a mess.
Bit of a mess, but
it's an organised mess.
It's an organised mess. So we'll obviously start with the forged
boost pipes.
The KTR induction kit makes the turbo-esque like whooshing noises. Absolutely insane. And then
the main feature,
the hybridised turbo, obviously. Yeah,
so
it's been hidden by a whole plank of,
if it focuses,
silver there. There's obviously the downpipe
under there,
and a bit of yellow mesh.
Essentially, it's the same turbo housing, everything's stock, but the fans have been hybridised, as they say. So they're bigger,
so
more boost.
Essentially, yeah, it just enables more boost coming from the turbo.
More power.
So yeah, that's what enables it to get to that 406.5 horsepower. To our knowledge, it is the fastest Megane RS in the UK, and it's sitting here on Bitofpizza on YouTube. So I've got a whole list of mods to run through with you. Let me just quickly tell you off the bat. So it's a Wagner intercooler, obviously the forged boost pipes in red. RS performance valve caps, so if you want some of those, they're about 60 quid.
£60 for these.
KTR front and rear strut braces, the shark fin aerial, which is pretty sexy, dare I say. KTEC induction kit, KTEC sports cat turbo downpipe, forged blow-off valve, KTR two-piece fixed discs. He used to have the floaty ones, but apparently they rattle a lot and it's just not worth the hassle on an everyday car. The Mk3 gripper differential, because the differential, so the gearbox is the same as what you get on a
Mk3 Megane.
Hence why you can obviously interchange a few little parts. And obviously the clutch damper delete. Don't know what that does, don't ask me.
But it costs £68.
Costs £68, just ask whoever built it, I guess. And obviously the biggest mod being the hybridised TT turbos by Turbo Engineering. Right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go out for a little drive in the Megane RS. Last time we had a bit of negative feedback in regards to James's driving, because he likes doing the old one-hand movements, but end of the day, you've got to allow it. I mean, the guy can drive. We've taken this thing to speeds you don't even know about, and the car is capable, you can handle it. It's got the forward steering, front-wheel drive, and on that subject actually, the differential handles the power really well. You get the Astra VXRs with this in a straight line, you can just accelerate. There's not much talk to do. So yeah, hopefully the video can show you that, and please remember to subscribe. That'll be a massive help to us. Drop a comment, leave a like, and give me a kiss. Right guys, so we are in the Megane RS now. James has bravely given Evan O'Gorman the keys.
Very bravely.
Very bravely, because he hasn't driven a manual car in ages. If you go all left down here, Evan, mate.
So I actually drove this last week, and I only went up the tunnel. We were in London, and he threw me the keys in the tunnel and was like, here, take it for a rip. And first impressions are, it's fucking sick. Like, the sound, the power, but most importantly, the gearbox. I think with the Mk4s, they done a short throw gearbox, and it is such a short throw. Look, chuck it down, it's like DSG.
The boost is insane.
And the sound as well, you just get so much noise from everywhere.
Are you in sport mode or something?
Am I in sport mode?
I don't think you are. There you go. I'll be in race. You're going race. There you go. There you go. I'm scared. This thing's insane.
James, why did you let me drive this?
This is getting written off today.
No, definitely not. There's so much power.
This thing is insane.
The beauty of it is it doesn't torque steer as well. Like, you feel a little bit of play, but it just feels so planted. Like, the build quality on this is really, really solid.
I love the RS drive as well. I think it's a really, really cool sort of gimmicky thing. And you've got to get the big screen, I think. If you buy one of these, don't get the little one. It just looks a bit messy. This, with a full-on iPad, looks fantastic.
Yeah, they've definitely improved their interior game.
Yeah, compared to the old Mk3, for example, even the Mk2 Meganes, this is obviously the times have moved on, but I guess it's the Germans making them raise their games.
I've got to do gearbox stuff here.
Oh, there's a house here with a new E63S, which you've just gotta see.
Let's make him sell it. That may as well be DSG, honestly.
You're not joking, that gearbox is quick!
And I haven't driven a manual for ages, and I'm whacking out shifts like that. It's nuts.
That is absolutely insane.
And the thing is as well, like, the clutch, it's not like you're pumping water out of a fucking African well. Like, it's very short throw. You don't have to go all the way into the footwell to push it down.
We're gonna go left here, but don't give way. Do not give way. I'll give way to this guy. Oh, look at that four-wheel steering working very well.
DSG time.
Oh, that was spinning in a second.
Oh my god, it's so quick.
Oh, please stop.
It feels so good to throw about. Like, the brakes are really good as well. When you come to a stop, you're not tramlining all over the road. It just stops really well.
Oh, tramlining.
That's what I get in that. When you press the brakes, the car goes left, right, everywhere, all over the
Wow,
road.
this thing's so agile, man.
It really is. I haven't driven much, but this is by far the most exciting car I've ever driven, and been in as well.
So I like this car so much that last week I put a finance application for one. I got accepted, but I just decided not to go for it in the end, as the monthlies are a bit high, and the facelift is coming out. So I'm going to wait till that comes out, and then I think this will be my next car as well. I think we're both going to have Megane RSs, aren't we?
Definitely. Liquid yellow.
I'm going to go for orange because I like one orange.
Flame red works really well. I like what James has done with it.
I just love the interior, mate. It's honestly gorgeous. And the seats are so supportive and nice, and
everything about it, in my opinion, is like perfect. Like, it's a really special car.
It's a lovely place to be, man.
You've got the noise. It takes a while for the turbo, and now that it's a little bit bigger, it takes a bit longer to spool, but when it does, it just pulls you.
I can't believe how it was spinning into second. That's just insane.
Try to get some noise out of the back. Put the windows down. That is so sick.
Do it again, but then tap the throttle.
That is the best sound I've heard out of a 4-cylinder car.
Still doing it.
You've got the blower valve working up front, which produces like a lot of noise, and you've got the intake, which is making the whooshing sound, and then you've got all of that out the back.
Evan,
what is going on?
I'm really excited to drive this. It sounds insane.
I really don't want to let you drive it.
Tough shit, boy.
I want this guy to move.
So the traction is off. Am I correct?
Now you tell me.
That's why I was spinning into second.
And it rides so well on the road. Like, when you chuck it into a corner, it's so stiff. I know James has put on the front and rear strut bars, but it just feels so planted. Like, there's no roll, there's no play. You've got the four-wheel steering helping you.
Send him a gap. Send him a gap, bro.
There's so much drama, like, there's nothing to dislike about this car.
What do you think about the brakes? Are they good?
Brakes are really good. You can put a lot of trust into them. I left the brake in really late on that corner and it just stops when you want it to. It's the perfect package, honestly. This is the best car I've ever driven.
Big ones, boy, big ones! Right, I'm gonna grab the keys off Evan and give it a little spin. This one might end in those bushes over there, but we'll find out. Perhaps been a fatty. Oops.
bit jolty on the old clutch.
No, it's the clutch. It's so like.
It's really precise, isn't it?
Yeah. I think it's meant to be that good. Oh my fucking god. Shit me.
Oh my god.
From 4K it just absolutely goes. Fuck. So yeah, from 4K the turbo just, I think that's where like it really sort of picks up. And the gearbox throw is so short, like you just don't, you don't expect it.
It feels special, like the whole package of the car is just a really nice place to be.
It's like gear.
You can treat it like a DSG, can't you?
Honestly, I've never experienced a gear change like that in a manual car. I have no way. It's so...
It can't be quicker. Look, when you go past these.
Boost.
Bam.
How much am I getting ready?
You can just bang it into the next gear.
What's the second gear?
Oh my god. I can't even hold the camera.
But I definitely feel the tram lining though. It does tram line.
So there is a bit of torque steer when you get going, but I feel like that's because of the camber on the road. Guys, please excuse the video. I really can't hold the camera straight. The G-forces are so weird. Oh my god.
So that was me driving the car. This is the first time I've actually driven the Megane RS, and first thing I must say, it's actually such a nice place to sit. I'm quite a tall lad, obviously, as you know, 6'4", but I don't feel uncomfortable. It's a really comfortable place to be. I think it feels better from the passenger seat in terms of comfort. Now that I'm sort of sitting here, I'm in race mode to be fair, but it's a bit jolty, it's a bit blah, blah, blah. Who cares, you know what I mean? You're buying this car to rip around and have lots of fun. And for that reason, it's fantastic. Honestly, like, you gotta think, this car, 28 grand, 30 grand?
Less than that now. You can pick one up for about 23.
It's about £20,000, and you can get something with this level of comfort, this level of interior quality, and this level of gapperoni. It's pretty impressive. So yeah, fantastic. Definitely recommend the turbo hybrid upgrade. You feel the boost; it's just insane. And look at that. Oh, fuck me.
Oh, that feels so quick.
So as you can see, the sun's come down, the stars have come up, and the time of this is over. Gutted because it's such a great car. I think it's definitely going to be one of my next cars for sure, as a daily or something like that. It's fantastic. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment. We'll get some more whippage on the old channelage. Make sure you follow our socials as well, and we'll go from there. Peace out.